One trade. Hey!
I'ma do shit my way.
One shot.
So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Haste. Hello my good people, welcome again to our $50 to 10,000 challenge, and today I'm about now to take our first trade, and I think it is going to be AUD USD. Already I have sent it in the Heistfxacademy, and as you can see, we have a clear M pattern here, and this is our area of interest where we had initially marked that we are going to be interested once the price reaches there. The price was up there, we broke that area with a good retest, and then I think now we'll be waiting for a clear confirmation for us to take this to ride this price to the moon. Yeah, so that is how it is looking for now. We are pre-London. We'll be interested in this trade. Yeah, so I've not yet entered it, but I'll be entering the trade in a few, whether because we have a clear. Let us zoom into the 1 hour so that I can tell you. But then we have a reversal candlestick there, an inverted armor. Yeah, but then what has made me gain interest in this trade is now where the price is. Let me zoom. Yeah, you can see that area is a clear area of support and resistance where price has been reacting to that area multiple times. Here you can see from the beginning here how the price, when it was reaching there, it acts as a resistance ceiling, and then when it is above, it acts as a support floor. Yeah, well, now the price has come to that place there, and now it has reached that area there. So I'll be waiting for a candle rejection from that area, and I think now during the London session I'll be interested to take that trade. Yeah, with our stop above that former resistance zone. With because we have a $50, we don't want to risk it as much, and we said we'll be aiming to double the account from this trade. So I'm willing to enter this trade from this point here. Let us see how many pips are we going to risk in this trade. We are going to risk about, yeah, now that is going to be somewhere here. We are going to risk $20 so that we can make $50. Yeah, later during the day we'll have news. I don't know how will that, but then I'm interested to take this trade. I'm only waiting for rejection candlesticks so that we can enter this solid trade here. So actually I'm willing to enter this trade from this we have should be 50 pips from that area, I think, after the break of this resistance here. Yeah, after the break of that resistance there, it is a long trade up to somewhere there. Now I'll put it at there. Yeah, so our take profit, but I will adjust it depending with the market 00. So this is the TP and this is the SL, and as we said, it is one trade, one shot. Yeah, so then we are going to enter the trade now with you guys. Okay, I think now you are going to enter that trade. of new order. So our stop loss is 0 5 479, and then the TP is 0 4 6 9. So let us confirm again. Before we enter from the 30 minutes, so 20 pips. So we are going to risk $20 in this trade so that we can make $50. So I'm going to use a 0.1 lot, but then to a $50, the 0.1 lot is a big lot for a $50 account. But then because we want to flip this, we want to double this $50 to a 2-figure to then a 3-figure, so that from tomorrow we can also find other trades to flip the 100 to 200. So then we'll have to do that. So it is as simple as that. And then now I think I'm going now to enter the trade at that point there. 0 point, and then now we are going to sell. No connection. Done. Yes, we have officially entered our first trade. With everything set, a tight take profit and a stop loss. So it is like that. Now we wait for the results. Okay, one trader, one shot. Already we have taken our first trade in this challenge. We are currently floating in a loss of $3. It is a real account. Okay, so we have our stop loss outside those trend lines. You guys how we do it here. How we usually draw these trend lines. So after the analysis from where we took the trade, which was in trading view, we also have how we analyze the market using the trend lines here in MT5. So we can see we have this pattern here, which formerly we had another pattern there which guided us to this resistance zone here. So this is the first take profit of this trade here, of the upper. Let me put my to you guys. So where we have reached here, this zone, this is the first take profit of this pattern here. So when you measure that pattern, your take profit here, when you measure it, it will be equivalent to that area there. But then our second take profit from this pattern has not yet been reached. So that is what we are aiming. When you measure it all the way from there to here, that distance has not been covered, so it needs to be like from there to somewhere there. So that is what we'll be aiming to flip this account. using that. And then when we zoom to the 4-hour, we can clearly, what can we clearly see here to the 4 hours? We can see we have a trend line here to be followed, and then we have a clear M pattern here also, tish. So it is to reach that trend line, and then a break of that trend line, a retest of it, and then to the take profit. We now complete forming that M pattern. So basically that is the analysis using MT5 using one trade, one short. Yeah, a correct trade should have a calculated stop loss and a calculated take profit, and with one position. Yeah, we are currently flooring in losses, my people. And then this is a pre-London. I took this trade pre-London so that when volume kicks in during London, we can now be already in this trade, and so that we cannot miss the big daddy moves in the trade. Yeah, so when we are wrong, the price will reach our stop loss, and then now the mission will be aborted at that point. No, we abort mission at that point, but then we are going to bank money yeah, in the bank. So when we are right, we are going now to bank our money at this place here. Okay, my people, so one trade, one shot we have done. Now the rest we leave it to the market panditing. So I was to show you how I have sent it to the Heistmasters in the study room. Remember to subscribe to the Heistfx Study Room. Everything we do free in our YouTube channel, but then to subscribe to the Heist where I send everything. I've already given them the entry. You have entered the take profit and the stop loss based from the analysis here, and then I told them AUD USD in our area of interest, looking for clear selling opportunities and confirmation to enter the market. Yesterday I gave them another one there, though it was invalid because it has not yet reached the area of interest. Hashtag one trade one shot. Okay, my people, so for the day 2 updates, so we took a trade on AUD USD. Let us see how it is currently doing, and then so this is the update. We took it in the morning, so I think this time it is reacting to this resistance here that we have, but we are going to hold it. It is one trade, one shot. Yeah, we set it and everything else now to the stop loss or to our take profit. So this is all for the day 1. So into the MT5, so we have this small resistance that I have highlighted here, and now I think in 2 hours time the New York session will be coming, so hope we'll have enough volume to break that resistance there. But then we have yeah, we are not going to change anything, we're just going to leave it. Yeah, our one trader one shot is currently in $0.3. The aim of this our first account trader is to flip this 50 and then add another $50 on top, so to 100. So we can take this account officially from a $2 figure to a $3 figure. Yeah? So that is it all for today. Yeah, let it just run and play. So we'll meet in tomorrow for another updates, my people. So this is it for today. Yeah, so wait for the New York to see how it's gonna do the thing. We were deep in profits, actually. We were up $7, but then we were reacting to this high resistance here. So my people, yeah, I'll meet you in a few. Bye bye. That is it for today.